So I missed a vital step in my makeup routine. And you can see the oily patches on my face. They're as clear as day because I missed a vital step. You see that? You see that? All of that oiliness. Anyway, hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's a Sunday and I'm tired, you guys. I missed a vital step in my routine, in my makeup routine, and that's why you can see all this oil. Like, I don't know how I could have done such a mistake. But yeah, I'm about to start batch cooking for the month. Lord, give me strength. This I went to church. No hearing because I let my hair down. I'm tired and I have a ton of things to cook. I want to make stew, efo, porridge, pepper sauce for rice, oha if I can. What else? Jollof rice. And obviously I want to make like a large portion of meat into the freezer for the week because I've taken Sunday as my cooking day, so that for the rest of the week I have time to plan, attend my meetings, and just live like a human being. And nobody's asking me for food. There's food in the fridge. Can't warm it. Look at that. It's past 6. We've been back for a while. I've just been trying to finish up some work. So yeah, like, tiredness. I'm super tired right now, but I have to cook today just so that I'll be free for the rest of the week. And it's not like I'm free for the rest of the week. You get. So yeah, come along with me. Let's go and cook. But first, I need to take off this makeup on my face.
I don't know about you guys, but this has honestly become a way of life. Like, I literally stick to this now as a routine in my life because this is the only way I'm able to live and function properly. So, quick outfit change. I've gone ahead to cook. I didn't even remember to vlog as I was cooking, but I've made efo, I have made jollof rice, I've made a pot of stew as well. I've also done some chicken, and I have made yam porridge. So I put some of the chicken in the stew and the rest is just going to go in the fridge just in case the boys don't want the stew in the pepper sauce. They can have just grilled chicken in the air fryer. You'll get to see that much later. But this is literally my life right now, and I'm just glad that I have this time to do this because honestly I can't imagine my life before this. You guys that batch cook, you guys know the ease and convenience that comes with having food in the fridge. You don't literally have to stand and cook a big pot of food every single night. Anyway, I left some in the pot. I left some jollof rice in the pot just so that the boys can have that the next morning while they're going to school. And the 2 tubs of jollof rice that I know that I have in the fridge is still there for the rest of the week. So altogether, at least I had about 2 tubs of everything, 2 tubs of vegetable soup, 2 tubs of jollof rice, and 2 tubs of yam porridge. You see this yam porridge? It was the truth. I had a friend of mine who was gracious enough to share her new yam box with me, and yam was so expensive. Yam that we used to buy for like 20 something pounds had gone up to 40 something pounds because it's new yam. Anyway, this yam was so tasty and it was delicious. I'm just grateful to God that I was able to share this box. I processed the rest and put it in the freezer so that it lasts longer because I don't trust myself to use the yam as I go. But this is everything I was able to come up with. And the cleanup, this is the chicken I was telling you guys about. But yeah, that's everything that I had. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple of vlogs ago I soaked my hair that I wanted to braid my hair with in some vinegar. I soaked this for about a day, and sadly I had to take out my nails for this because I couldn't grip the roots of my hair with my nails on, so I had to yanked nails out just to install these braids. I wanted it a lot thinner or tinier than this, but this was the portion I was able to sustain. It took me about 2 days to braid this entire hair, and yeah, the hair was really easy to work with, I won't even lie, but this is what it was looking like at the end of it, and I'm so grateful for this.
So it's been a couple of days since the last video you watched, and I don't know, I'm about to go to bed. I've just oiled my scalp. I used Asabi Joe's super growth oil. That thing is making my hair look rough because the amount of undergrowth that I already have, and it's only been a few weeks. That thing should be illegal. This is not something I use anyhow. The rate at which my hair grows, she didn't know. Anyway, you guys, let's do a quick unboxing with Dagusta. And I'm seeing here that we're kind of matching. We're matching. Anyway, this is a monthly subscription box that I get from Dagusta every single month. Before now, I used to put this only on my YouTube shorts and on Instagram, and I just thought to bring it back to the main channel just in case we have any newcomers who do not know about this particular brand. I have been working with them since Darlington, so it's been 2 years plus now, and it's been an amazing journey. Every single month they send me their subscription box, and this is the one for September. This is everything that comes in the box, and it's always a treat, like every single time. So if you guys are thinking of getting this subscription box, you get a very good mix of food, drinks, and sweets sometimes. So for instance, now we have this fruit goals. This is about 5 packs of this in here, and if the boys were not already in bed, I would have opened this for them to snack on. You see this thing, I got to know about this particular brand. I got to know about this particular brand with the Dagusta box because I tasted this for the first time, this Cheez-It, with this box for the first time, and I keep getting it in the stores every time I go in there. This cheese and chili one is really nice. I quite like it. This is a Nestle product. These are sweets. This is chocolates with like a caramel center. Looks interesting. I mean, half of the things, more than half of the things in this box usually go to my boys because they are the ones with the sweet tooth. I have gone off the sweets, if you guys haven't picked that up yet. It's good. It's been helping me weight wise. So this is from the brand called Tilda, and this is their hearty meal pack. So this is beans and curry. This is also the veggie paella, and this is a rice dish. So you can get like snippets of what is in the meal from underneath, but not all the time. So anything I personally cannot relate with, or I feel like it might not agree with me, I usually give to my co-workers or my colleagues at work, and they usually give me very good reviews, especially these Tilda packs, because they quite like all this vegetarian meal substitutes and things like that. So yeah, my colleagues will have a field day with this one. I also have 2 packs of pretzels here. This is from a brand called India Bay. So this is 2 packs of their pretzels, and this flavor is the lightly salted. Now this one I would definitely have because it's more my speed. We have this Rice Krispie bar, and it's from a brand called Squares. So it's basically Rice Krispies coated in chocolates. So yeah, this is honeycomb and chocolate flavor. Looks nice. My boys will definitely eat that one. So this is a new one. This is Sunfly, and it's their sunflower seed oil. I have never tried this before. So it says no nuts, no soy, no sesame. 7 grams of protein per pack, and this is sweet and salt. Apparently you're supposed to spread this on toast, add to smoothies or porridge, or use as a salad dressing. Oh really? I've never seen this before. There's 2 packs of the Sunfly one. So this is sweet and salty, and then we also have crunchy. This is another brand I love. This is from a brand called Slow. and they have about 4 sourdough seeded sourdough buns in there. You're supposed to bake this in the oven for about 10 minutes, and this is just right for my family, so we can have this with like pepper soup or curry, chicken curry, and we'll have that in the course of the week. This is a pack of hot sauces, and they have rated this 3 levels of spice. As a Nigerian and as someone that is a dangerous lover of chilies, this will not be hot enough. This is one I like. So this is tomatoes in a tin. I use this like every time I get it in a box. This is something that I personally keep and use. It is handy to use as well, and obviously shelf life as well. So yeah, it has quite a good date on it. This is very valid till about 2027. But obviously we get used up before then. Last but not the least, we have a canned drink here, and this is sparkling elderflower and yuzu. I've never heard of yuzu before. So this is from a brand called Braids. I love elderflower. I love the taste of drinks that I've had that are elderflower flavored. They're quite nice, they taste nice. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this one. Thank you again to Dagusta. Obviously, if you're going to go ahead and subscribe for this subscription box, you get a very good blend like I've just shown you. So yeah, you get £3 off your first box if you use my code, and obviously just get to enjoy the benefits that come with it. Obviously, as we progress towards December, the boxes get a lot more interesting because you get a range of products. Sometimes it's a lot more than this. So yeah, last year I was fortunate enough to try their advent calendar, and my boys loved opening it. I don't know how many of you remembered I reviewed that during Vlogmas. So the boys had a field day just opening the different compartments and reviewing the advent calendar. So it was really nice to see. That's that for the Dagusta box. The last thing I want to show you guys is this package I got from this brand, Eco Stash. So they have sent me a couple of their organizers and folders. I've seen a couple of my colleagues review their products here online. So when they reached out, I'm like, oh yeah, this would be nice, because all of my files and folders are kind of scattered, and this would be really great for organization. And yeah, I can't wait to try it out. It comes really flat packed like this, but you can extend it, and that's just the beautiful thing about this. You can extend it and fill it up with different files. So if you have like files for insurance, you know, receipts, I personally keep quite a lot of receipts. So yeah, all of this can be filled. I mean, one can go for my boys, birth certificates, driver's license, vehicle documents, you get the gist. So yeah, it also comes with this amazing label where you can, you know, label it either by year or month, or, you know, fill in the blank as you will. It's quite handy. I got mine in green and purple. These are really nice colors, and yeah, I can't wait to try them out and get all of my files organized. Right now everything is just sitting in one big box on top of, you know, this shelf, and it's quite a hassle trying to find, you know, all of my items, and you know, just knowing where last I kept it. But if it's all in, you know, organized in a box or if it's all organized in a bag like this, it will make it a lot easier, don't you agree? Anyway, the link to this product will be in the description box. Thankfully, they are an Amazon vendor, so you know you're getting your product in a couple of days. Like I said, don't take my word for it, try them out. You can obviously see and try them out yourself, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Anyway, you guys, this brings us to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and watching, and obviously lasting this long with me. My hair took me a couple of days, 2 days in fact, to make, and I'm glad I got it done eventually. It was well worth it, because this hair has been a huge relief for me, because my wigs, even my wigs know that I've made hair. Anyway, you guys, thank you again to the amazing sponsors of today's video. Thank you guys for watching up until now. Please do not forget to hype this video. Don't forget to share it if you belong to a community. It does a lot to help me my analytics here on the channel. Thank you again for your engagement on my last video. I appreciate you guys. Bye.